How you doing, kids? Welcome to the Fearless Floyd Show. I am your host, as always, Fearless Floyd, and today we are going to talk about registering your vehicle in your private trust. As I told you that I was going to do before, and finally, I have received the fruits of my labor. so, um, with that. Uh, Hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you want to share this video, do whatever you want. But anyway, I want to show you proof of what I've done. As always, I show you the facts in black and white. This is what I did. This is what worked for me. This is what's failed for me. Um, I ask you guys, hey, hit me up, man. Let's do a video together and let's share our successes, our failures, our processes, what works, what doesn't. Because this is a labor intensive and it will nickel and dime you to death getting this stuff filed and everything, and doing it correctly. So, it helps each other out, our brothers and sisters in this, I'm going to call it a movement, to assist each other, so we don't waste our time and energy and money. So with that, let me screen share my screen here. Ah, so my vehicle here, my Lexus, was uh, was in my name, previous owner, and I went and transferred it into my estate family trust. What's the odometer reading say there? Exempt. Pretty strange, huh? I don't think I've ever seen that. Exempt. Huh. I just caught that. Here's my old license plate number. Of course, that's what they have it registered under. Um, that's pretty interesting right there. And I'll show you another little interesting thing that kind of surprises me is this gold border. In Texas, those are blue for a regular vehicle. So let me actually look at the real deal thing here. And I haven't perused the border to determine if it has a American Banknote Corporation. That's what I was looking for. Well, it's a pretty gold border. Tell you what, you literally say there's angels in it. This is to show y'all that I do my homework, do my due diligence. I don't want to leave y'all out of nothing. All right, I have looked at the border, and unlike the certificate of live birth, it does not have one of the various denotations of the Banknote Corporation of America or American Banknote Corporation or I've actually seen one from uh, Argentina, I believe. Yeah, I know. I've seen some crazy stuff. So, looking for micro printing for the signature line. Oh, here we go. Let's see, TX DMV. Hmm, there is micro printing, and this line right here. Pump this up for you guys. Right there, you can see the micro printing that says Texas DMV. But aside from that, I don't see any special demarcation that makes it uh, anything other than a title. But we know these are securities. So I don't see anything else. Hmm. So anyway, scale that back down to 100. Stop share. And here is the reverse. Nothing special. Share. And then we'll go back to the first one real quick. Now, this is what I was talking about. These could be angels right here. Got hearts. See how they look like, kind of look like an angel? You never know. But I think that's very interesting right there. So anyway, um, when I did this, of course, I went down to the tax assessor's office, and oh god, of course, I'll make a mess if I dig it up. Uh, I'm behind. For the last week, I've had, I guess, one of these variations of COVID or the flu or something. Still, mm, but I'm well enough to kind of get some work done. So anyway, I want to share you this with you guys. But I had to fill out an affidavit that went along with this. Okay. I actually went down there and paid the filing fee, and excuse me, uh, to transfer the title, which I shouldn't have because I'm exempt. They charged me anyway. So when I sent it in, I was like, waited. I contacted them, said, what's going on? What's going on? So they said, well, you need to fill out some additional forms, which they didn't tell me at the county tax assessor's office, which really sucks because, you know, the fucking idiots behind the counter, you know, they don't know nothing. So anyway, they forwarded me these instruments, and I had to fill these out and get it notarized, of course. And this one too. And cost me $2 additional. So I'll send them a money order for $2 of those two forms. And I did that November 18th. And 11 days later, they created the title, sent it to me, and I went and picked it up at my postal mailbox the other day. And that's what I got. So my car is in my trust. It's private property. As you see, the odometer is exempt. So I think I'm almost out of their jurisdiction. My next step will be to rescind and surrender my plates that were issued by the state of Texas to that vehicle, as I showed you earlier. And I'm in the process with a couple other people to actually get some, you know, instead of my own private plates, some plates issued by a governmental entity. So that puts me out of their jurisdiction, but still within their purview that when a law enforcement officer sees those plates, they're not under the auspices of being a fictitious plate or fraudulent or anything like that, because that is not my intent to, you know, fraud anybody or uh, create anything that's fictitious, because it's not fictitious because I created it, belongs to me, it's copyrighted, as you guys know. So anyway, that's the thing on the title. That's what I did. That's what worked for me. So there you go. You got it in black and white. Um, I hope this helps you. So if you guys are going to do this, set up your trust. And one of these days I'll do that. Um, you have to have the statement of fact for trust. And you have to have an affidavit of trust. And you submit that with your $2 and send it to the state of Texas after you know, register your vehicle, and boom, you're on. So with that, like I said, subscribe, share, like, you know, do everything you're supposed to be doing. Uh, and I hope you appreciate the video. If you have any questions, put them in the chat, or you can always email me at TheFearlessFloydShow@yahoo.com. I don't always reply instantly like I should. I'm buried, kids. I mean, I'm looking at a stack of paperwork that's just, horrible, and I keep trying to reduce it, and it seems like I just get more little stacks, separated everywhere. But and this illness, you can hear it in my voice, has really knocked me down for the last week. So I'm trying to get over it, get over the hump, and get everything accomplished that I need to. So with that, man, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. Love and peace. Happy holidays to everybody. Adios.